Hi, this is Dinesh here. You see that this is the audio stereo amplifiers. You can see that the two speakers 3 watt is there at the output, and the input you can see we have plugged through the left and right channel and ground channel, and we have given the 5 volt supplies. Now I will analyze it in the oscilloscope how it behaves, so that it will be give you a clear picture of it. Now we see that this is the amplifier I have connected here. It is a ulta. You can see it is a ulta, but I have given the same 5 volt supply input I have given, and the output I have taken. Now I'll see the input how I am giving it. You see, this is the input. Right now I am giving 4.3 kilohertz, 100 millivolt peak to peak. Okay, this is the input. Input, what I am doing it, I am feeding it to the oscilloscope. It's not clear, I will stop it. Yeah. You see that this is the yellow color is there. Yellow color is the same input signal it is coming from here. And blue is the amplified signal. But you can see that in 4.3 kilohertz it is not amplifying. Almost it is a similar levels. Now what I'll do it, this is the output. Output I have connected. You see that this is the output I have taken. Output I have taken here, and the input I have given through the input I have given from here, waveform generator, sinusoidal signal I am giving it, and output what is coming I am giving to the channel 2. Channel 2, you can see that channel 1 and channel 2. Channel 1 is the input, original input, and channel 2 is the output signals. Now I will run it. See that I will run it. What I'll do, I'll change the frequency. I'll show you I'm changing the frequency. I'll go very low frequency. Now you see that it is around 0.33 kilohertz. Very low frequencies. Or I can go it, see that I am going to the 330 hertz, and same level I am keeping it. Now you see the response. Okay, now I have to change the time period. One minute. Okay, see that this is the pulse. It is coming. I feed 330 hertz. 330 hertz. This is the yellow signal. But blue signal is blue signal. What you are seeing the color? It is amplified output. I will stop it because it's very fast. It is not clear. I will stop it. You see that now it is a clear. You can see that the yellow peak to peak voltage is 100 millivolt, and blue you are seeing that peak to peak voltage is maybe 450 millivolt. So it is 100 millivolt yellow, and this is coming 450. So you can see that the amplification is there. Now what we'll do, this is the 330 hertz frequency. Now what we'll do, I'll change the frequency. I'll go to 1 kilohertz. This is the 1 kilohertz frequency. Label I am not changing. Now I'll run it. Now I will run it. See, this is running. Still I am getting the amplification. I'll change the time for it. Now I'll stop it. See that. Still amplification is there, but amplification is slightly reduced. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the frequency 2 kilohertz. I'll go to 2 kilohertz. I have not changed the amplitude level of the input signals. Now I'll run it again. See that. I'll stop it again. See. Now yellow signal and blue signals amplitude difference has reduced. Means what is this saying? That its gain is keep on reducing. Now I'll change the frequency 3 kilohertz. 3 kilohertz. I'll run it. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll stop it. See that blue and yellow signals almost its amplitude is slightly blue is higher. So amplification you can see it is dip on reducing. Now I'll go to the 4 kilohertz. 4 kilohertz. Now again I will come back it, run it, and time pulse I'll change a little bit.
इसका रिकॉर्ड बना दिया होगा आपको देखिए एक बार देखिए पूरा हो गया इसका लाइन डायग्राम मॉडिफाई करने दे रहा हूँ
I'll stop it.
लाइन डायग्राम इस गाड़ी पर आएगा
See.
और मैन्युअली ऑपरेटिंग
See that blue yellow signal almost its amplitude is nearby. Means what I can say, now it is not amplifying the signal. Now it is not amplifying the signal. This is what I wanted to show. But you know that audio frequency is from up to 20 kilohertz. But this response you can see that it is in a 4 kilohertz and it is not giving the amplification. So 4 to 20 kilohertz you are not getting the amplification. If I go further, its output will reduce. We'll see it. Now I'll go to frequency. Suppose I went to 10 kilohertz. Now we want to see the response. I'll run it. Now I'll stop it. See that yellow is our original signal and this blue is the output signal. Its amplitude has reduced. So it is no further it is amplifying it. This is what the response we are seeing in the oscilloscope of this audio amplifiers. Thank you. This is Dinesh here.